Alright guys, I got my wall bracket up, got the hole drilled. Not going to be a whole bunch of talking in here because the customer's right here watching TV. Alright, I got the unit mounted. I got everything ready to go outside. I got the filters pulled out and I got the bracket pulled off so I can get my electrical pulled through. Alright guys, very minimal video today. I'm trying to be quiet. Just get this done. Got my line height up real quick here. Got plenty of line here. I'm gonna go ahead and get these flared, get them connected, get them ran over, and then I got a 1/2 to 3/8 adapter I'll have to get out of my pack out here to adapt it, but I've shown you flaring enough. I'm gonna get these connected, strapped down, and get it under pressure as quick as I can. Done as fast as I can today. I want to go have lunch with the family. Brother expects me to come do something for him today too. I'm like, come on man, it's holiday. Perfect flare every time. I love this Black Max. Focus, camera, focus. There it is. I'm gonna get set up first, then I'll get the camera going. $26. What are the other one? Beautiful. Get all clamped up all nice, and then I'll show you. Looking pretty good now. Nice and solid. Show what it looks like over here. I'm gonna get my panel off, and then I'm gonna get my half to 3/8 reducer here to accept the 3/8 here. I know the other ones were white line sets, these are black line sets, but it's what I had in the shop. So alright guys, I'm going ahead and pumping our system down, as you can see. Got my I got my liquid line shut all the way off, and there's my suction there open. I'm going to go ahead and get him back down to where he's almost off. That dog's really bugging me. And then once it gets down to 0, we'll close it off. Real easy. Almost there. I know these have a pump down procedure you're supposed to follow with them, but I'm just going to do it the old-fashioned way. I've never actually tried it, you know, doing it like you do the unitary systems. Sure, it works. Why wouldn't it? Unless it's got some sort of relief in there. Slowly but surely. Come on, baby. 10 more pounds. Per square inch. Final countdown. Come on, baby. Come on, get that last bit of vapor out of there. Still got it on the R22 from yesterday. Not that it matters. There we go. Pull a little vacuum. Alright, let's close her off. Closed off. Pull the disconnect. Okay, let's crack these guys, see if we're good here. That's why I like the Bosch, because they're isolated, all the zones. Perfect. All right, let's get these guys connected. Not a big fan of these DuraGuard line sets. And I don't normally deburr my quarter because I can't really get my tool in there anyway. I just kind of look at it and make sure I did a good cut on it. Yeah, I might as well trim it back a little bit. Easier to work with. Then I won't fight it. And the copper's a little different size too. Come on. I was able to get it on the other end. Without incident. No, that's not good. Not good at all. Remember what I had to do last time was bang it on there. That's ridiculous, isn't it? Pretty ridiculous. The struggle is real. Alright, I got her on there. Took some skin off my thumb in the process. Yeah, I forgot these DuraGuard line sets. The copper's a little bit of a different size for some reason. It's a little bit bigger. Which makes absolutely no sense. But it is. The nut fit on there fine on the other side. Who knows? Definitely not me. Ubered up now. Alright. Torque wrench. Give you so much room to work in here too. Okay. And I did find my adapter there. We're going to go ahead and torque him on. This is 1/2 inch, so I do these at, whatever my preset's at, 32, I think. Little dabby. Looks good. Sometimes you don't need to deburr them, guys. You don't have to every single time, I'm telling you. Sometimes if you know how to make your cut real nice and clean, you're not helping anything by deburring it. You're just getting some shavings inside your pipe. You can disagree with me if you want to. Now on a braze joint, sure, because you want to get that full inner circumference of the pipe, but if you don't deburr these flares, sometimes you're just fine. Agree to disagree. Back here. Give you so much room. Good, good, good. Let's pump some nitro in there. All right, we got her at 401.3. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my joints up there. I'll spray my joints down here and give it about a half an hour. I'm gonna run to the parts house and grab a couple things, and I'll be back with you about a half hour. All right, guys, half hour passed. I went ahead and just let out my nitro. We're all good. I'm gonna get my pump going and start working on cleaning stuff up. All right, we're pumping away. Let's see where we're at here. In the 300s. I got my electrical all made up on the inside. I got my drain in place, clamped all nice. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting my line hide cover, work my way back this way, tie in my electrical over there, clean up the line set, and this be a quick one for me. Turbo mode. All right, guys, we're all finished up here. I got my lines all wire tied, all nice and clean. Got another strap out here, get everything ran all nice and gathered together and nice. Didn't get much video for you today. I was just trying to get this done. There's my new line, all covered up with the drain. I'll go ahead and try and get you a little bit of video and show you what I did with the indoor. Look good. That's our finished product. Like I said, I did this one almost 4 years ago.